What's up guys, Phil, aka the King of Thrift here, back with another video in my journey in cryptocurrency. Today is just going to be an update as far as what has happened over the last week. Actually, it's been about 10 days since my last cryptocurrency video, and it's actually some really good news. We have some pretty exciting things going on with a few of the cryptocurrencies, Ripple in particular. There is something really big going on right now, and as a result, the price of Ripple is beginning to moon. And when I say moon, what I mean is actually since I purchased it on the last video, I made the recommendation for you guys to purchase Ripple. But on that note, guys, I am not a financial advisor. Do not take this as financial advice. Don't go throw your money into something just because I say so. I'm not your father, so I cannot be held responsible for any losses that may happen as a result of you taking my advice.
This is just basically what I am doing, and this is my own personal experience, and I am sharing my journey with you guys. So just take this as conversation or entertainment at best, guys.
So with that in mind, let's move forward. Ripple has shot up. As you can see here, Ripple is at $1.02. What's so exciting about that in particular is that now when I made the last video, I actually recommended for you guys to buy Ripple, because I think it was a wise investment, and I did, I was pretty sure something was coming up. What has happened in Ripple, let's go over the last day here, is that you can see, it's gone from just today. I mean, we've gone from 94 cents up to at the high was $1.08. So, I mean, you could have bought in at 94 and sold it $1.08 and made a very nice profit. I made a video back in, on the 23rd, I believe it was. Yes, right here on the 23rd. The market is down. Like I said, this is the time to buy. These prices are the lowest that I've seen them. Ripple sitting at 93 cents. I've seen Ripple up around 125 recently. When I bought into it about 3 weeks ago, it was 89 cents. And I made some killer profits on Ripple. Ripple is a great currency to get on. Now, what I want to show you is, as you can see here, we're going to just click into Ripple, and we're going to do the same thing here. Now, you can see overall, the highest price point was right here at around $3.23. I think it got almost to $4. Now, if we look at the 7-day on this, you can see in the 7-day, look how far down it is, guys. I mean, look at this. It was up here 7 days ago, $1.20. Now we're sitting down at, at 94 cents, which is, like I said, you want to buy when the market is down. This is basically a fire sale, guys. Now let's look at the 1 day. Even in the 1 day, you can see it's going down from $1.05 all the way down. Now that is what I suggested back then, guys, and as you can see, the price of Ripple is very high now. I mean, it is right now we're at 99 cents currently. I believe that has probably gone down, 98 cents. Now, earlier this morning, I was checking out Ripple, and it was, like I said, $1.08 at its highest this morning. So, I mean, that's huge, guys. I mean, I bought in at 89 cents, and I actually sold around $1. I sold half my position, and that is just because, whenever you make profits, whenever you make gains, you want to sell. You want to lock in those profits. You want to sell on the way up. In other words, you don't want to wait for what you think might be the peak and then sell all, because I've actually lost money that way. So what you want to do is, as your price increases to wherever it is that you're going, wherever you have decided that you're going to sell, you want to sell a portion, as you go up, and you want to sell on the way up. That way you can lock in those profits. Because what can happen is you can, hold your entire position, until what you think is going to reach a certain position, and the thing can just drop off, from 1 minute to the next, and there goes your entire profit margin. So if you go ahead and lock in those sales, you lock in those profits on the way up, then, that way you do make money regardless of if the stock goes back down or if the coin goes back down. And I actually knew that I was pretty sure this coin was not going back down, but I did go ahead and sell half my position in it just to lock in those profits. And I am actually hodling the rest, as they say, hodling. It's where you're holding on for dear life. It's what it stands for. Basically, I'm waiting. I'll probably hold the remaining Ripple that I have until the end of the year, or somewhere thereabouts, or until it moves, until it reaches a really high price point. Which personally, people are saying it could go as high as $600. People are saying $100. People are saying $10. I mean, it's all speculation, guys. I mean, you can listen to. There are some good channels to listen to. And some of those guys are pretty knowledgeable, very intelligent. Some of the guys have been in the space for a really long time. They actually, a lot of the good ones, they're day traders. They come from stock market, from Wall Street, and now they're working in cryptocurrency. So with that in mind, keep that in mind when you are looking for people to follow. I've made a lot of money on Ripple, and that is because the market is so volatile. You know, Ripple is up and down on a continuous, which is basically what you need if you want to day trade. And it's basically, you want to sell it when it's high and you want to buy it when it's low. So, you know, like I said, I sold off half my position at about $1, and my plan is when it goes back down to 90 cents or thereabouts, maybe 90, actually I might buy in maybe around 93 cents or 95 cents, because I know that I got the feeling it is going up. And let's get to the reason why it is going up, why Ripple is going up, so I don't get off track here. Ripple is, you know, on its way up, and that is because, as you can see here, the top stories, that is today. Cryptocurrency Ripple jumps as traders speculate on CoinBase adding trading. XRP rises as Ripple Coinbase rumors renew. Ripple is surging on rumors that Coinbase will soon support it. Now, basically what this is, and it just goes on, is Coinbase is the place where I told you guys to sign up. And if you have not signed up for Coinbase and you are interested in getting into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, that is the easiest place to do it, guys. And I will supply a link in this video below in the description section so that you can sign up for Coinbase. Now use that link, and that's going to give you $10 on your first purchase. It's going to give you $10 credit in Bitcoin. And what's good about that is it will also give me $10 in Bitcoin credit. Now, it doesn't cost you anything more. All it does is help me out and help you out. Versus you just going to the site and signing up, you don't get anything. So make sure you follow that link. Go into Coinbase here, and you can see the only currencies available are Ethereum, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and then of course US dollars. And as you can see here, I am a big fat holder of a stack of Ethereum worth a whopping $6.18. That's because I do not keep money in my Coinbase account. I basically keep my money in the Binance exchange. It's just easier. It's more readily available. Now, when I make some really hefty profits, I will begin pulling them out and putting them here until they are transferred into my bank account. But I might just put them here, you know, for safekeeping, because Coinbase is basically a type of a wallet, a storage platform for your cryptocurrencies. But as well as you can buy and trade these particular currencies. Now, the news is they are probably tomorrow, if that does happen, tomorrow they will be announcing if they're going to be adding Ripple to this exchange. Now, Ripple is, I believe, the number 3 cryptocurrency as far as how big it is and what it's worth. Overall, it's number 3, and that's just behind Bitcoin and Ethereum. Then you've got Ripple. So, like I said, guys, Ripple is a good investment, I believe. Again, invest at your own risk. You could lose everything. This whole thing could go down tomorrow. We don't know. We are in uncharted territory, but that is the excitement of being a pioneer, guys. This is you know, uncharted territory. Anything can happen. You know, people millionaires are being made daily in the crypto space. So it's pretty exciting, guys. Even if you're not going to be a millionaire, you could at the very least just, you know, add a very, very nice chunk of change to your money. Cryptocurrency tends to pick up during the summertime. So I'm anticipating a bull run here in the coming weeks and months ahead. And like I said, I will be hodling the remainder of my cripple. I will be hodling the remainder of my Ripple. And on that note, I probably will be buying some more. Now, let's move on to another great currency, or whatever you want to call it, Bitcoin, or another coin. And that is Ethereum, guys. Ethereum, as you can see, is at $860 right now. Now, when I recommended you guys to buy, I believe it was at, yeah, as you can see here, let's have a look. I definitely recommend it. Now, as you can see here, $818 is the price right now, currently, of Ethereum. Now, I recently bought in here before I made this video, and I bought it, and it was $8.05. I'm sorry, $805. So it's already up, you know, as you can see, 13 bucks. That is right, guys. I bought in at $805, which is excellent. I mean, you can see here, if you'd just taken $1,000 and bought Ethereum, I mean, you'd be up, what is that, you know, 80, I mean, it's almost 10%, you know, it's about 7% overall. If you would have bought, in other words, for every Ethereum that you bought, you're up at easy $50. And it was actually up higher than that. I think it hit around 875 at one point, which was very good. $902 there. I mean, we're looking at you know, $968 I seen it actually at 1,050 since I got into it. I mean, I got into Ethereum at $757, guys. So I mean, you can see the gains are tremendous. The bottom line is, I think that investing in the crypto space is a great place to put your money, put extra money that is just sitting in your closet, sitting under your mattress. Put it to work for you. Buy $100 worth of Ripple or Bitcoin or Ethereum. These are your top three cryptocurrencies. But you put your money in, and it is going to grow. And I believe that we are coming off the back of a bear market, and I believe that we are moving into a bull market here very soon, and which means the prices are going to increase. Everything has been pretty much flatlined for the last month or so. Very, very low. And I think over the coming days, this is going to increase. So put your money in now, guys. Like I said, these top three here are going to be your best bet. I will go ahead and give a couple of personal recommendations. I would recommend Stellar Lumens, which I am highly invested in. I've seen some great gains from that. And Neo. Neo is also a great cryptocurrency, as well as Litecoin, guys. So if you stick with these coins that I've mentioned, you really can't go wrong. I don't think you're going to lose out. But again, I am no expert, so take my advice with a grain of salt and invest at your own risk. Thanks for watching for another video, guys. And if you like this and you want to see more, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel for more videos on getting started in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency space. This is the King of Thrift with another video. Thanks for watching. And until my next one, you guys get out there and make that money.